Hey, what's happening, guys? It's Cody here from Tipsy Rippers, and if you see here, this is our garage, and we're going to be doing some cleaning today, and we're going to be cleaning it up with Banks' help as usual. We got the Rmax in here now, so we need to clear some space out. We had a lot of stuff in the center here, so we're going to push it all to the side so then we have some extra area, and yeah, we're going to basically make this, with our help of a shelving system, look like this. Alright, so this goes, what we're going to do is everything that needs to go in the trailer, we'll put in this box. Got me a big one. In here. Can it fit in the bottom? No, the bottom. Does it fit? Nope, we can't stick it there. Okay, so we made some decent headway with a little bit of organization, making some room for the buggy. Still got a bunch of mess over there that I'm dealing with. I'm converting them all to those yellow bins, which are in turn gonna go in here, and I'm gonna remove the sandblaster, and then all the containers are gonna be there. I will probably build like some kind of system to slide them in and out, but what me and Banks got it cleaned up, I've been working on it here and there. It's a lot of junk to do, so but now we're gonna go ahead and add these Fleximounts, Fleximount system shelves here. Got them off Amazon. They're actually gonna be running a sale here during the Prime Day sale, so go check that out if you guys are interested. But I just kind of wanted to show the, just kind of like, you know, what we're doing, and just like the kind of like a daily life with us. And I think I'm gonna install one over here, right there, and then we'll put archery target up there. Might put that bin up there. There's a couple miscellaneous things we're gonna put up there, and then eventually maybe I might buy more of these and then do this wall with a set of them and then put some containers there. But I kind of want to clear this whole area out so that I have more room, because I'm going to be building a wall here eventually, going the whole way down. So it's hard to organize with space. You want space to be open, but you just accumulate junk. So you just accumulate junk, and you just keep getting more hobbies and buying more things. You know, when I used to weld, I have all that stuff, you know, bow press back there, all kinds of stuff, you know. So, and you know, air compressors back there, parts from my truck. But yeah, let's go ahead and start kind of getting this figured out, show you, you know, just to just show you a little bit of organization. And did want to show these Fleximount, check them out. Found them on Amazon. Decent product, very solid actually. I'll show you. So they have all kinds of different systems, but they do have one that's like a roof system. There used to be like 1x1s here, and there was a shelf, and I couldn't stand it. It was above my head. I didn't like it. I'd rather everything be around the perimeter. But basically these are 2 foot deep by 6 foot shelves. You get 2 of them. And they have everything. They even come with a level with the system and everything like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and just get this up there, and then we'll kind of just show you like the plan, you know, going forward with our area. And so we have more room for our side-by-side over here. This is being sold this week. I'm pretty sure there's 2 people interested in it. So anyways, let's go back over here and let's get one of those up in there. And if you don't ever have one of these, check these aux things out. Nice pencil, lead, and a sharpener right here. Freaking sweet. I use these a lot for my handyman stuff. All right, so that's one shelf done. Not too shabby. That's a pretty neat design, and that's only the 3-foot section. Still got to do another one to go across. I don't know where I'm gonna stick the rest at, but for now, that's where she's at, and that's pretty, I like it so far. All right, look, got a bag target up there. Archery stuff with archery stuff. Okay, so there's gonna be some more videos of the Rmax here soon. I can't wait to get some of those up to you, some installations, some just riding, some ripping, you know, tipsy rippers. Don't forget hit that like and subscribe button. I hope like this just little cleanup video kind of showed you what's going on here. I cleated that onto the wall. I made that bench years ago, and I kind of just put dividers on it, put paint, oil, separated everything. Here's my little jig for archery stuff. That's and knife sharpening. This is our bow press, 60/40 outdoors. It's all going to be over there if you want any of that stuff. And here's the new shelves that we got. I finally have a place to put my bow case at. I used to try to keep it underneath, but it was a pain, so I finally got it. Real excited about that. We're gonna do the rest of the shelf here. We have a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. We're gonna organize all this, and then hopefully this side will dwindle down as I'm organizing the other side, so I can free this space up on this side so that I can keep the Rmax in here and tidy. This is getting sold. So real quick, just showing you the shelves. Well, nice shelves. You can adjust them, everything like that. They're really nice. Yeah, so just something overview. We got all this junk over here with our paper tuner and just stuff I'm still organizing. Like I said, I got all this stuff organized, some tools down there, air compressor, whatnot, you know, in this cleaning, house supplies. This is all everything like that. And then we got batteries and everything in this one. Still organizing and taking some time, but yeah, if you guys have any ideas for helping me organize this, or things I need to do, or things you would like to see, let me know, because you know, we're gonna be posting here. And I kind of forgot about this video because I've been having so much to do, but wanted to get this video up about the including these shelves, because there will be a sale on October 8th and 9th. So use that code. Anyways, thanks for helping me organize my stuff. Don't forget that like, subscribe, and always stay tipsy.